Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Robinhood wallet. First, open the App Store or Google Play and search for Robinhood Wallet. Download and install the app. Once installed, open it and tap Get Started. If you already have a wallet, choose Import Existing Wallet. Otherwise, tap Create a new wallet. Next, add security. You can use Face ID or create a custom PIN. Then, back up your wallet to iCloud or manually to keep your assets safe. You can also turn on notifications to stay updated with your crypto activity. After that, tap Let's Go and your wallet will be ready to use. You can now receive crypto by selecting a coin and copying your wallet address. And that's it! You've successfully set up your Robinhood wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.